Alrighty then, this would be boring mailbag number 6. I'm gonna be kind of quick. I'll try. So sometimes I open, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening this stuff. First off, we have this. And I'll start by talking about, in the one of the previous videos, I found or got a lawnmower from a Goodwill store, and found out that the air filter was absolutely filthy and disgusting. And so I wanted to get a replacement. The problem was that all the local places wanted ridiculous prices for the filter, and so I started looking around on eBay and whatever. And so the local Ace Hardware wants $11 for one filter, and just a filter. And what I found on eBay was for about $8. You get the filter that I needed. You get the pre-filter, which apparently I was missing. But it also came with a fuel filter, which this is, I think this is completely fake. Let's see. Oh no, there's a mesh in here. Yeah, so it's a sort of a filter. So you got this filter, a valve, a spark plug, Weixing or something like that. I'm sure that's quality stuff there. And 2 clamps, all for $8. Oh, I mean, hell, what are you gonna buy? One of these for $11 or all this crap? Alright. And also related to the lawnmower. Alright, where was I? So this is related to the lawnmower and any future lawnmowers I might work on. Basically, it's another 3 filters, all for the same, for less than the 1 filter at Ace Hardware. And then there's this. And what this is a replacement, LED replacement for this. This I got from my dad before he passed away. It's a E2D Executive Defender flashlight. Now the light bulb's burned out in here, and I don't have it in here because what happened is I purchased these rechargeable batteries And if you, I didn't know this, if you put rechargeable batteries in here, it makes the voltage about 2 volts too high and blows the incandescent light bulb in less than a second. And they're like $21. And for a bit less than that, you can buy this, which is an LED replacement for this, which will probably not ever burn out, and can work with either the 3 volt or the 4 volt batteries. And as you can see, it's ridiculously bright. And this thing is called the Executive Defender because apparently the purpose of it is, if you're an executive, you would keep one of these in your desk, and if somebody came into your office and tried to attack you, I'm guessing you would somehow pull this thing out and shine it in their face and blind them. It seems like a silly idea. It just makes for a very bright flashlight, and that's about the only use I could see for it. Alright, so this, the reason this is unwrapped is when I ordered it, I hadn't ordered anything else, and so I wasn't going to do a video, but then I got a whole bunch of other stuff and ended up having enough to do a video. What this is a compression tester for, well, for just about anything. It'll work for lawnmowers, cars, it's supposed to work on anything. Relatively cheap, and I will put a description in the video of how much it costs. They're all over eBay and Amazon, and they're all pretty much exactly the same, from the same company. They just come in either a blue or a red case, maybe a black. And the last thing is this. Once again, I opened it because it was ordered at a time when I hadn't ordered anything else. This is an old school voltmeter, and the reason I bought this is I wanted to have a voltmeter I could leave out here in my shed and not have to worry about it. And the problem with a regular modern digital multimeter is that you can damage the LCD display if it gets too hot or too cold. If it gets down to freezing, it can damage the LCD display, and if it gets too hot, it can also damage it. I don't know how hot it gets in my shed in the summer, but I expect at least 120, if not higher. And in the winter time, it doesn't get very cold here, so the most it might get to is down to barely 32 degrees, but that would be enough to damage a digital multimeter's LCD display. And this is just a simple voltmeter. It was made by Sears, or sold by Sears, and it works just fine. Measures up to 1,000 volts, AC or DC, and we'll do something close to 100 megohms or something like that. And it can measure up to 10 amps. So anyways, I can leave this out here in the shed without having to worry about it. That's it.